Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do quadratic equation exercise 5.2. In the previous class we have done exercise 5.1. Now we are going to do exercise 5.2. Okay, so your first question is find the roots of the following equation by factorization. So first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0, right? So here what is given x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, how we will do factorization? If we add or subtract, we should get minus 3x. If we multiply it, we should get 10x square. Okay, if we add and subtract, we should get 3x. If we multiply, we should get 10x square, a and b. Okay, so here what will be the 5 2s are 10, right? 5 and 2x, 5x and 2x, 5 2s are 10x into x square. So here the highest sign is minus, so minus 5x plus 2x. Okay, so x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. So x taking common, x into x minus 5 plus 2 I am taking common, x minus 5 2 is a 10 is equals to 0. So we are having x plus 2 and x minus 5 is equals to 0. We'll equalize both the equations. X plus 2 is equals to 0, x minus 5 is equals to 0. So x is equals to plus 2, I'm sending that side, it will be minus 2. Minus 5, I'm sending that side, it will be plus 5. Okay, so therefore roots of the quadratic equation is minus 2 comma 5. This is your answer. So we'll do some more questions. Let us do next question. Third one, root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so here, see here, when you add or subtract, you should get 7x, but when you multiply, you should get 5 root 2 into root 2 x square. So 5 root 2 into root 2 whole square into x square. Square root cancel, 5 2 is a 10x square. So when you add or subtract, you should get 10. When you multiply, you should get 10x square, but when you add or subtract, you should get 7. Sorry. So here 5x 2x, 5 2 is a 10, x into x square. So root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so yeah, if I am taking x common in this, so we are left with root 2x plus 5, right? Next, if I am taking root 2 outside here, root 2 means root 2 into root 2 will be what? Root 2 whole square. Square root cancels, it anyhow it will be 2. So if I am taking root 2 outside, so inside what will be there? Root 2x plus 5. Did you understood this step? Root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? Square root cancels, 2x. So same 2x or root 2, 2x is nothing but same. Since root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square, square root cancels, will get anyhow 2. So that's why I wrote root 2 outside and root 2x inside. Okay, your answer is x plus root 2 and root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. X plus root 2 is equals to 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. So x is equals to plus root 2. I'm sending that side, it will be minus root 2. And root 2x plus 5, I'm sending that side, it will be minus 5. X is equals to minus 5. This root 2, I'm sending that side, it will be in the denominator, root 2. Okay, so these are nothing but your x is equals to minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, let us do one more question. Question number 5. 10x square minus 20x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here also we'll follow the same thing. If you add or subtract, you should get minus 20x, but when you multiply, you should get 10x square. Okay, so if I do 10x and 10x, 10 plus 10, 20 anyhow. 10 tens are 100, x into x square. So I'll take minus 10x and minus 10x. Anyhow, we need plus 100x square. So this will be 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equals to 0. So if I am taking 10x common, 10x will be inside minus 1. If I am taking minus 1 common, 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. So your answer is 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. So 10x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 2. Same here. 10x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 by 10. So what are the roots of your equation? X is equals to 1 by 2 and 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 are the roots of the quadratic equation, right? Let us see next question. Let us take one more question. Question number 8. X minus 3 by x is equals to 2. So here x into x square minus 3 by x is equals to 2. So x square minus 3, this x I am sending that side, it will be 2x. So x square plus 2x I am taking this side, will be minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So again this one same, minus 3x square you should get, but when you add or subtract you should get minus 2x. So if I take minus 3 plus 1, so it will be anyhow minus 2x, right? So I'll take this like this, x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equals to 0. I'm taking x common, x minus 3 plus 1, x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x plus 1 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x plus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to plus 1, I am sending that side, will be minus 1. X is equals to minus 3, I am sending that side, it will be plus 3. So x is equals to minus 1 and plus 3 are the last question of first one is 3x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 is equals to 12. Since you can see the number is same, so let x minus 4 is equals to a. So 3a square minus 5a is equals to 12. Now it's simple, right? So 3x a square minus 5a minus 12 is equals to 0. So 3a square, 12 3 is a 36. So when you add or multiply you should get minus 5a, but when you multiply you should get 36. Okay, 4 9s are 36. So it can be minus 9a plus 4a minus 12 is equals to 0. If I am taking 3a common, a minus 3 plus 4, if I take 4 common, a minus 4 3 is a 12. So 3a plus 4 is equals to 0 and a minus 3 is equals to 0. So 3a plus 4 will become minus 4, a is equals to minus 4 by 3 and a is equals to 3. But what is a here? X minus 4 is equals to minus 4 by 3, x minus 4 is equals to 3. So x is equals to minus 4 by 3, minus 4 I am sending that side, will be plus 4. X is equals to 3 plus 4. So is equals to minus 4. 4 3 is how much? 12 by 3. This is nothing but 8 by 3. This is nothing but 7. So 8 by 3 and 7 are the roots of the equation. Are the roots of the equation. Okay, in the next video we'll do question number 2, 3 and the remaining question of exercise 2. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.